Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about mixed-use developments as commercial property. Mixed-use developments. A mixed-use development is a type of real estate project that combines different types of uses, such as residential, commercial, retail, and entertainment, in one single development. Mixed-use developments have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer numerous benefits, such as convenience, accessibility, and sustainability. As mentioned earlier, a mixed-use development is a project that combines different uses in one single development. These uses can include residential, commercial, retail, entertainment, and even public spaces. The goal of mixed-use developments is to create a sense of community, to offer residents and visitors a diverse range of amenities and services, and to promote sustainable urban development. Now, let's discuss some of the benefits of mixed-use developments as commercial property. One of the main advantages is that mixed-use developments can generate higher profits than single-use developments. By combining different uses in one development, mixed-use projects can attract more visitors and customers, which can increase revenue for commercial tenants. Moreover, mixed-use developments can create a sense of place and community, which can increase the value of the property and attract more investors. Another benefit of mixed-use developments is that they can promote sustainable urban development. By integrating different uses in one development, mixed-use projects can reduce the need for car travel, which can reduce traffic congestion and air pollution. Furthermore, mixed-use developments can provide more affordable housing options for residents, which can promote social inclusion and diversity. However, mixed-use developments also face some challenges as commercial property. One of the main challenges is that mixed-use developments can be more complex and difficult to manage than single-use developments. With multiple tenants and uses, mixed-use projects require more coordination and management, which can be challenging for developers and property managers. Another challenge of mixed-use developments is that they can be more expensive to build and operate than single-use developments. The cost of construction and maintenance can be higher due to the need for more infrastructure and amenities. Moreover, mixed-use developments may require more permits and approvals from local authorities, which can add to the cost and time of development. In conclusion, mixed-use developments as commercial property offer numerous benefits, such as convenience, accessibility, and sustainability. However, they also face some challenges, such as complexity and higher costs. Developers and property managers need to carefully consider these factors when planning and managing mixed-use developments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on commercial real estate. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.